Hi, my name is Ian Cert. I'm the training manager for the BOSS department, the BOSS meaning Business Optimisation Solutions. We currently deliver a range of products and services to the industry, and specifically manufacturing, warehouse and logistics, food processing, and even business. My background, I actually come from the manufacturing sector, which I spent 12 years in the printing industry. Within that time, I done my Cert 3 in process manufacturing, and I did my diploma in competitive manufacturing, and started to get a lot of personal satisfaction and a lot of personal growth from that, and I wanted to actually explore that a lot further. So I actually took the initiative to push myself out there and actually get into the training space. So yeah, that's exactly what I did. I got a few qualifications that allowed me to do that first, and then I got into the workplace training.
My name is Derrek. I'm the Business Development Manager for Education Institute in the BOSS department. My role is to go out and source and bring on new businesses from manufacturing, transport logistics, admin, sales and leadership program. Been in the industry for 6 years, have worked in a diverse range of industries before working in the RTO industry.
So the approach that we've taken here at Education Institute is that we've looked at breaking down these modules and actually taking you through a change management process where in the first session we look at unpacking or identifying all the areas of need or some of the current issues, what you're doing well, what you're not doing so well, and we truly try to look at what is the need for the change. And then the next session we go straight into reflecting, problem solving, and actually planning the actual change based on the original analysis. And the third session is all about implementing and then reviewing and sustaining those changes. Now, it's not just a project management approach where we talk about these are all the tasks that need to be done. We actually take a change management approach, which is more about the people. Who needs to be involved in this, and how do we empower those team members to actually want to be a part of this change management activity. So we actually do this process, and even though we use many different tools, we actually use the same process through every single module. And the idea of that is that the students get a chance to practice these skills a number of times. So by the time they come out, they're actually automatically, strategically thinking in a way that they know they can't just jump in anymore to just try to solve a problem. They really think of it through a methodology approach where they say, yes, have we considered, who needs to be involved, what are the implications? And they start really, even a return on investment concept. So this is about making sure that when we make change, it's going to have minimal impact on the areas that we don't, that are working well, and a much larger impact on the areas that we do want to change. One of the biggest outcomes for this course is to actually change the mindset of an operator to an actual team leader or supervisor. We've found that in many workplaces, individuals end up getting promoted within their role because they're doing such a great job, but then they find themselves in this influential role where they need a lot more skills with communication, negotiating, and just dealing with workplace conflict, and they're just actually not, they haven't actually received any training or any guidance to actually how to deal with that. So one of the outcomes is that we take them through that process of unpacking what is some of the barriers that are happening right now. And we put things like communication plans together and follow-up reporting, and within the change management process that we go through a number of times without the program, they'll actually get to practice these skills. So by the time they've come out, they've done it a number of times and they actually feel much more empowered to be a team leader. Because as we know, team leader is not about how well we individually perform anymore. This is about how well we can get the whole team to perform. And that is one of the key things that we try to get out of this program.
I really believe, I'm very passionate about the program. I think it's a vital cog in a lot of businesses today, from my experience and talking and dealing with businesses. They really want to empower, give staff who are in that position of leadership, who want to be in that position, more skills, more knowledge and more sort of confidence in leading people better. As you know, the environment and business get more competition gets harder and the economy changes. Businesses want to make sure that the staff got the capable skills, the knowledge, experience to be able to manage people and deliver business growth, business goals and business plans, but also make sure that they deliver KPIs in a day-to-day environment, and also giving staff the opportunity to challenge themselves and refresh what they may have learned a long time ago. Businesses want to challenge them in a way that every day is changing, so they want to feel part of the journey, part of the picture, but also challenge them to understand that business needs to change on a daily basis, and understand your team so your team can perform at the level that they expect, but also give the leaders the confidence and the skills to know the different principles and tools and methods of how to be a very good leader, whether it's to understand more about people and leading your people to achieve goals. Could be about cost, could be about delivery, could be about quality, health and safety. So we work on them aspects to give them practical hands-on skills and experience and strategies to make sure that they actually can implement them ideas, implement them tools, and so they can get on with doing their job and leading their team on a daily basis. Is it going to deliver the right outcomes for my staff? Is it going to be, as well as the practical side of things, is it going to deliver the right projects? Is it going to give the staff the skills that they need to give them the confidence to lead a team more efficient and more effective? Is it going to fit in with my business growth and business plans? And the most important thing, what outcomes are we going to generate and what projects are we going to put together to make sure that the staff can utilise, walk away, implement, and be able to use these tools on a daily basis and have the principles to actually improve staff performance. And also making sure that we've got the trainers who can come out and deliver the program in a more efficient, effective way. I know and I really am passionate about knowing that this program will tick all them boxes, will give them answers, but the most important thing, the program is really designed to be targeted towards a business and making sure that every step along the way that we put the right projects, we strategise the right areas and we identify the right outcomes, identify the right skills and challenge the staff to be better, but also challenge them to improve the business in each of their departments and in each of their roles.